This is my dog, by the way. Her name is Bella. Say hi. Hello. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Really hope you enjoyed it. Now this video is actually in collaboration with Hohem Tech. Now these guys make great 3-axis handheld stabilizing gimbals for GoPros, action cameras, DSLRs, mobile phones, you name it. I've been using the iSteady Pro for a couple months now, taking it everywhere with me. It's one of the things I never go anywhere without. It's a great tool, would definitely recommend for anyone looking for a gimbal that's affordable and entry level, just to make their shots really crispy and smooth, especially those GoPro shots. Now you may have noticed in the video, all the shots I was shooting with the iSteady Pro will have that label in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. So if you want to go back and see how stable the shots can be, then just look for that little iSteady Pro sign. I'll link in the description below where to get one of these bad boys so you can get one yourself. Now I know it's been a minute since I've been on YouTube. I think my last YouTube video was a snow vlog in like July or June. Wrapping up 2018 on a good note though, so keen for 2019. It's gonna be crazy. Got lots of big things planned, lots of videos planned. And I wish all you guys a happy new year, and to those in Australia, an awesome summer. Have a good one. Peace.